Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and reopen Instagram photo messages. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the master, first of all, go ahead access your Instagram first. Once you have done so, this kind of a home page, you're gonna go ahead access, right? And then afterwards you're gonna go to your message icon that will be given on top right corner of your screen. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you can see, if I tap on this user, you can see I do have a particular message there, right? And it's asking, it's in a view photo that we would like to see. So if I tap on this view photo option, I would be able to check out this photo, and I can simply hold on to it. I can take a screen recording or screenshot, and you can see that photo is now done. I cannot reopen the video. If I tap on it again, I cannot open it, right? So the thing is, for you, you can take a screenshot of it, or you can take a screen recording for you to check that photo out again if you have got that kind of messages. And if the user also have sent you a one-time picture only, once you have looked at it, it will be gone. You have no way for you to get that back. So those are the options for you. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.